Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. Today I'm gonna show you how to conversion of numbers from one byte to another byte in Python. First of all, create a function and call me conversion. Function takes numbers and number and base. Next, create array while number not equal 0, array number div base plus r. Okay, number del div and base and return array. Okay, let's print conversion 100 to print conversion 1016. Okay, run. Wait, let's check this in calculator. Standard programmer hex bin 11000100. It's 100 in deck. Okay, good. And 1000 in hex. It's 3 year 8. Year is 14. 3 year 8. Okay guys, that is all I want to tell you. Have a nice day.